Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share something very powerful, something that can change your English speaking journey forever. We are talking about the daily English habits of successful global speakers. These are the habits used by people who speak English with confidence, clarity, and style, even if English is not their first language. Maybe you dream of speaking smooth English. Maybe you want to speak confidently at work, in meetings, in interviews, or with international friends. Maybe you want to build a career, move abroad, or grow your YouTube channel, but you feel shy or you feel stuck, or maybe you don't know how to improve. Don't worry, every great English speaker started exactly where you are. They were beginners once, they made mistakes, they felt nervous, they felt afraid to open their mouth, but they improved because they built good daily habits. And that is what we are going to learn today. In this speech, I will share simple, practical, and realistic habits that you can follow every day. These habits don't need expensive courses, they don't need high-level grammar, you just need consistency and a positive mindset. So sit back, relax, and maybe take some notes, because this topic is not just about English, it's about discipline, confidence, and self-growth. Let's begin. Star 1 Habit. Listen to English every day. Successful global speakers know one thing. If you want to speak well, you must listen well. Listening is the foundation of spoken English. When you listen daily, your brain learns. Natural pronunciation. Correct sentence structure. Real conversational English. Rhythm, tone, and speed. How native speakers think. But here is the secret. You don't need to study listening, you only need to live with English. You can listen while you are walking, cooking, cleaning, traveling, or even relaxing in your bed. Simple listening options. English YouTube videos. Podcasts for English learners. English speeches. Motivational videos. English news in slow speed. Audio stories. Movies with subtitles. Even 10-15 minutes every day can change your English level. But the most important rule is this. Listen actively, not passively. Active listening means you notice how the speaker pronounces words. You notice how they connect sounds. You repeat short lines in your mind. You understand the feeling behind the words. Try this daily. Listen to one short video and repeat 3-5 sentences out loud. This builds speaking power very fast. Remember, the world's best English speakers are great listeners first. Star 2 Habit. Speak a little every day. Many learners think they must wait until they are good at English to start speaking. Successful global speakers do the opposite. They speak first, they improve later. Even if your English is broken, even if your vocabulary is small, even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Speaking is a skill. You can't learn it only by studying, you must practice. Here are easy ways to speak daily. Heavy checkmark mirror speaking practice. Stand in front of a mirror, speak about your day, your plan, your feelings, your goals. Even 3 minutes is powerful. Heavy checkmark self-talk technique. Talk to yourself in English while doing normal activities. Example. I am cooking rice, the water is boiling, I will add salt now. This trains your mouth muscles. Heavy checkmark shadowing technique. Play a short English clip and repeat the speaker's words at the same time. This improves fluency very fast. Heavy checkmark voice recording. Record your voice every day for 1 minute. Talk about anything. When you listen again after 1 month, you will see huge improvement. Heavy checkmark speak with AI tools or partners. You can speak with AI apps, tutors, or language partners. But remember, even if you speak alone, you are improving. Many global speakers learned English by speaking alone first. The key is consistency, not perfection. Even 10 minutes of daily speaking practice is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. Speak small. Speak slow. Speak daily. And your confidence will grow automatically. Star 3 Habit. They read something in English every day. Reading is like exercise for your brain. Successful global speakers read something daily, even a small paragraph. You don't have to read difficult textbooks. Read simple things that you enjoy. Short stories. English news for learners. Children's books. Social media posts. Inspirational articles. English quotes. Reading gives you new vocabulary, correct sentence patterns, natural expressions, new ideas for speaking, better grammar understanding. The trick is to choose content that is heavy checkmark easy, heavy checkmark interesting, heavy checkmark not too long. Use this method. Read right arrow pause right arrow speak. After reading a paragraph, stop and speak about what you read in your own words. This builds speaking fluency and memory. Create a 10-minute reading routine. 5 minutes, read. 3 minutes, highlight new words. 2 minutes, speak about the topic. You will see your vocabulary grow fast. Star 4 habit. Write a little every day. Writing is not only about grammar. It is about training your brain to think in English. Successful English speakers write something small every day. A diary entry, a to-do list, a gratitude list, a small paragraph, a short message, social media captions. Daily writing helps you organize your thoughts, practice new vocabulary, reduce grammar mistakes, build confidence. Follow this simple routine. Heavy checkmark daily English journal. Write 3 sentences. What I did today. What I learned today. What I will do tomorrow. Heavy checkmark daily question technique. Ask yourself one question like, what made me happy today? What did I learn today? What is my goal for this week? Then answer in 3-5 sentences. Heavy checkmark rewrite method. Take a small English paragraph from the internet and rewrite it in your own words. These habits help you think faster and speak smoother. Star 5 habit. Learn 5-10 useful words daily. Successful speakers don't memorize big vocabulary lists. They learn a few useful words every day. The trick is, learn words from real life. Example. If you watch a cooking video, learn cooking words. If you watch a motivational video, learn motivational words. Daily vocabulary method. Learn 5-10 words. Say each word in a sentence. Repeat it at night. Use 1-2 words when speaking the next. This builds natural vocabulary, not forced memorization. You can also learn phrases, which are more powerful than single words. I'm not sure, but in my opinion. Let me think. That's interesting. Phrases make your English sound smooth and confident. Star 6 habit. They use English in daily life. English should not be a subject. It should be a daily life tool. Successful speakers use English for small things. Thinking, planning, messaging themselves, reading signs, watching videos, searching on Google, changing phone language to English. The more English becomes part of your environment, the faster you learn. Try small changes. Set your phone to English. Write your grocery list in English. Use English subtitles. Listen to English songs. Follow English pages. Small changes create big results. Star 7 habit. They review what they learn. Reviewing is more important than learning new things. Successful English speakers review new vocabulary, phrases, grammar patterns, voice recordings, speaking mistakes. Spend 10 minutes each week reviewing. This makes your learning strong and permanent. Star 8 habit. Never fear mistakes. This is the biggest secret. Successful global speakers make mistakes every single day. But they don't stop. They don't feel ashamed. They don't feel I'm not good enough. They know mistakes are part of the process. Repeat this to yourself. My mistakes are my teachers. When you accept mistakes, you grow faster. When you fear mistakes, you slow down. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Star 9 habit. Keep going even on busy days. Busy people improve English the most. Why? Because they practice small but consistent actions. Even on busy days, successful speakers do something. Listen for 5 minutes. Read 1 paragraph. Speak 10 sentences. Learn 3 new words. Write 2 lines. Small daily action is more powerful than long weekly practice. Star conclusion. These daily habits made thousands of people strong English speakers around the world. You can follow them too. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need expensive classes. You only need daily consistency and a positive mindset. Remember, Listen daily. Speak daily. Read daily. Write daily. Learn words daily. Use English in life. Review your learning. Accept mistakes. Stay consistent. If you follow these habits for even 30 days, you will see real change. If you follow them for 90 days, you will not recognize yourself. You will feel strong, confident, and ready to speak English with anyone in the world. Your English journey is in your hands. You can do it. I believe in you.